Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing Lenovo's latest AI-powered 2-in-1, the Lenovo Yoga 14AKP10. This sleek convertible laptop packs AMD's brand new Ryzen AI 5340 processor. Processor AMD Ryzen AI 5340, 6-core 12 threads, 2.0, 4.8 GHz AI PC category Copilot plus PC. NPU integrated AMD Ryzen AI, up to 50 TOPS. Storage 1TB SSD M.2 2242 PCIe 4.0x4 NVMe. Memory 24GB solid LPDDR5x. Graphics integrated AMD Radeon 840M. Display 14 WUXGA, 1920x1200, OLED 600 nits, 400 nits glossy anti-fingerprint, 60 Hz. Battery 70 Wh. Power adapter 65W USB-C slim. Support for pen input with the included Lenovo Yoga pen. And being a 2-in-1, it flips into tablet mode seamlessly. On the I/O front, you're well covered. 2 USB-C ports with power delivery and DisplayPort, a full-size HDMI 2.1 port for 4K output, a USB-A, a 3.5mm combo jack, and even a micro SD card slot. And yes, it's rocking Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. Keyboard backlit, English. Touchpad buttonless glass-like Mylar Surface multi-touch. Camera 5.0 MP plus IR with privacy shutter.